guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, and I'm so happy you're here. So for today's video, one, I'm in a different location. I had to improvise today. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect, plump, luscious, juicy looking lip. Ignore my eye, it's kind of watering today. I think I stabbed myself in the eye or something, but it'll get better, I'm sure, eventually. But anyways, today's video is all about how to get the perfect, juicy lip. Literally, this is something that I talk about in every video. I love having juicy, voluminous, beautiful looking lips without lip filler because Mama can't afford lip filler right now. But this is the perfect way to get nice looking juicy lips without having to go and get work done. This is what works for me. This is what I like to do. And yeah, if you guys want to see how to get perfect, voluminous, juicy looking lips, then make sure you just keep on watching and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, you need to make sure that your lips are prepped and ready to go. So make sure that you've put some chapstick on, you've scrubbed your lips. Nothing is worse than crusty looking lips. Mine get chapped so easily all the time, so I always have to make sure that I have chapstick on or a little bit of lip scrub and just go to town and get them prepped and ready to go before I go in with all of these lip products. So once your lips are prepped and ready to go and you have chapstick on or just a little something that makes them look better, or just a little something that makes them look a little more hydrated and better, then it's time to go in with lip liner. So one that I've really been loving is this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Another Round. It's just a perfect like nude lip pencil. I'm all about a pinky nude lip. If you guys check my Instagram, I'll link that down below, then you'll see that I wear nude lips all the time. They're perfect, they go with every look. I know it can be a little bit boring sometimes, but they really do they're just really good. So this lip pencil is what I have been loving recently. It is so pretty and it's so creamy. It goes on literally awesome. So to start out, I'm going to start right here at my Cupid's bow. And kind of make an X right here. This is just going to be the first initial like shape that we're giving our lip. After I go in with that first initial, I guess, coat, I'll then go in and I'll build up and I'll make my lips look a little bit bigger, because overlining your lips is probably the #1 step that you guys should take, just because this is what's going to make your lips look bigger without the lip filler. If you just go in and you don't overline your lips, yes, you can make them look good and yes, you can make them look juicy, but you're not going to get that big full lip that you're going for. So then just start outlining your lip. Okay, so tip #1 is when you're overdrawing your lips, only overdraw right here by the Cupid's bow. If you go and you overdraw like the sides of your lip right here, it's going to get more like clownish instead of, you know, like batty. It's gonna be a little bit too full over here on the sides, and it's really gonna be noticeable that you overdrew your lips a lot. So my tip is to only overdraw the Cupid's bow, and yes, obviously like fill in a little bit, but don't overdraw your lips on the side. It's just gonna be kind of a mess and it's gonna be really noticeable, and the whole point of this is you don't want it to be super noticeable that you have used a ton of makeup to make your lips look bigger. So like I said, I'll go in with that first initial layer and then I'll go up a little bit more and just overdraw that Cupid's bow. So now you can move on to your bottom lip. The same rule kind of applies for your bottom lip that it does your top lip. Try not to overdraw them too big. Try not to go too crazy because you are going to be able to see that it's overdrawn. If you just stick with the Cupid's bow, it's going to be a lot more natural looking. It's going to look a lot better in the end. So once you have them outlined, just go in and start filling them in. Just kind of shade in the edges. This is going to help add some dimension later on when you put the liquid lipsticks and all of that good stuff on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my literal perfect nude lip combination. I've been using this every day for forever now. I think that it is beautiful and it just compliments me. It's just the best combination in the world. So to start off, we'll go in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. This is the perfect pinky nude that I was telling you about. It is so good. So I'll just start right here and start filling in my lips. So once you have that initial layer on, just set that to the side for a second because now we're going in with another liquid lipstick. This is the Laura Los Angeles Nakey Nakey liquid lipstick, and this is more of a true nude, more of like a brown nude, I would say. But I'm going to pop this right in the center of my lips. So that's right in the center of my lips, and it just added a little bit more dimension, and it just makes your lips look a little bit poutier. I think that this is a really great tip to remember. If you go in with a little bit of a lighter shade in the middle of your lips, it's gonna make your lips look a little bit more plump and poutier just because you're adding that extra dimension, and it just kind of makes them look more full. So to blend that out, go back in with Virgin from the Morphe liquid lipstick and just kind of blend out those edges with this color. And the last and final step for this look is lip gloss. You guys know that I don't do any type of lip without a lip gloss, especially here recently. I just think that it makes my lips look so much more full. It makes them look juicy and plump and just ready for the day, and it keeps my lips hydrated throughout the day because they are always really dry, and this way I can prevent them from looking a little bit crusty. So for this, I've been loving the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Frosé. It's so pretty and it just glides on. And I put this all over my lips. You definitely can just put it in the middle and it's gonna make it look a little bit poutier right here in the center, but I like to have gloss all over my lips and just get the full effect. And that is it for this video. As you can see from the start of this video to now, my lips look a whole lot better. They are plump, they are juicy, and I'm just ready to go for the day. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you liked it and I hope that it was helpful. Big juicy lips are so in right now, and I hope that this helped you get them without having to go get lip filler. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell right beside it so you can be notified every time I upload content. It is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you just don't want to miss out on my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.